manage various users in a computer system, we can use the run command, which we can find by searching run, or we can also get the run command by pressing Windows R. If you press Windows R, the command will appear, and here we can write NETPLWIZ, which stands for NETPLWIZ wizard. In this wizard, we will get the list of all the users of this computer system. And if you have an administrative privilege, then you can do the administrative task to your account and also the other accounts. For example, if I want to change the password of this administrator, I am myself with administrator account, so I can give the new password here. Similarly, I can also add the guest password, add or change the guest password if it is not added or previously. Also, there is some advanced settings. We can manage our password if there is a password stored in this computer system. The managed password will work for both the web credentials and Windows credentials. Also, we have the opportunity to do some advanced settings. In advanced settings, there is two options. One is users, which we saw earlier. All the different types of user is shown here, and another is what are there for, the purpose of those users. The functionality of those users are described here. Also, there are several user groups. Basically, we use the guest and the basic users and the administrators, but besides them, there are many different user groups designed to do different types of tasks. For example, the remote user group can only do the activities by the remote login, and there are some management tasks can be done from remotely if the user is in this group. Similarly, based on the necessity, if a user needs to only take the backup, he cannot change anything major in the system, then this user groups he can be added in this user group. The descriptions of all the user groups is provided here. We can check the descriptions of various user groups and understand their functionalities, and if we have administrative privilege to change the system, then we can change the system as we needed.